Hello everyone, this is Ajit from Catalyst Class. So today I'm going to talk about the solid. What is the solid? Okay, and what are the things come under solid? What are the shape come under solid? And how to take the volume? How to find out the area? Okay, and surface area, and all those things we will discuss in this chapter. So solid surface area and volume of the 3D solid. Hello everyone, this is Ajit from Catalyst Class. So today I'm going to discuss about the solid. So the solid is surface area and volume of the 3D solid. So important question is what is solid? Solid is any object that occupy the space, okay, and define the same shape is called the solid. So it defines some shape, okay, and it occupies some space. So if you take any for example any of the object, okay, like one box, okay, and that box is have some shape and that is occupies some space. If it keeps on the surface, it does occupy some space. So that is called the solid. Okay. Or we can take, for example, the cubicle or cone, okay, solid box that have the cubicle shape and it occupies space when it keep on the surface. Okay. So that kind of object is called the solid. Okay. So now the next question comes is what is the volume? So volume is the if the solid space occupy, okay. So whatever the space occupied by the solid object, that is called the volume. So like a solid object that occupies some space, okay. So that is called the volume. So we can say it like the capacity of the container equal to its internal volume, whatever the volume is there of the container. So suppose if I'm taking a container, okay, that container, whatever the volume, okay, whatever the internal volume is there, that is called the solid. So that is called the capacity of the container, and that is called the internal volume of the object. Okay, the volume of the material in a hollow body, okay, hollow body is the external volume minus internal volume. Okay, so volume of the material of the hollow body is equivalent to the external volume minus internal volume. Okay, so now the next important point is surface area of the solid. So surface area of the solid is nothing but the all the area of the solid, okay, consolidated, okay, area of that particular solid is called the surface area of the solid. So for example, if I consider the cone, okay, uh, okay, if I consider the cubical cone, so that cube, okay, for example, if I'm taking the cube or cone or any other object. So for example, if I'm taking the cube, okay, that means what will be the surface area is all the sum of the all the area of the all the side of the cube, okay, that is called the surface area of the cube. So now we'll talk about the cuboid. So what is the cuboid? Okay, a rectangular solid which has the 6 faces, okay, and each of which is rectangle. So all the faces are rectangle. So the cuboid which have the 6 faces and all the 6 faces have the rectangle, okay, is called the cuboid. So I have designed the diagram, okay, where 6 faces is there of this cuboid, okay, and all the faces are a rectangle, okay. So now I have given the length, okay, length of the one rectangle. If you consider this rectangle is L, breadth is B, and height is H, okay. So find out the volume of the cuboid. How to find out the volume of the cuboid? So volume of the cuboid will be L into B into H. So it's nothing but the length into breadth into height. That is called the volume of the cuboid. So if a cuboid length, breadth and height is given, we can find out the volume of that particular cuboid. And that is nothing but the length, breadth and height. Okay, so to find out the volume of the cuboid, this is the formula. So this formula basically we need to learn. So now we need to find out the total surface area of the cuboid. So how to find out the total surface area? So if you see the picture, okay, this is the one area. If I say this is the one area, okay, this is the one area. The back side of this, okay, is the same size, okay, one more area. So if I have to find out the total surface area, total surface area. So total surface area will be the length into breadth, okay, two times, because this is the first one face and back side also one similar area is there, okay. Similar way this side, okay, this side, okay, and the opposite side of this wall also one same area is available, one wall is available, the area will be same, okay. So here it will be the h into b area of this rectangle, okay. This is nothing but the rectangle, each and every face, okay. Then on the top also, if you see it here, okay, this is the one face, okay, and opposite to this the bottom also the similar rectangle is there, okay. So what will be this l into it will be h into l, okay. So this will be h into l, so bottom will also the h into l, so 2 times h into l. Similar way 2 times l into b, 2 times b into h, okay. So then total surface area will be 2 times, okay, l into b plus b into h plus h into l, okay. So total surface area is 2 times of the, okay, 3 sides rectangle area, okay. Now, so what will be the lateral surface area? So lateral surface area is nothing but the 2 times l plus b into h, okay. So what is the length of the diagonal? So what will be the diagonal for us, okay. So this is the diagonal, so this will be the one diagonal, okay. If I draw this, this is the diagonal. So what is the length of the diagonal? It will be length of diagonal equal to underscore l square plus b square plus h square, okay. This is called the length of the diagonal. So length of the cuboid diagonal, or what is the diagonal, okay. First thing we need to understand it in the cuboid. So the diagonal is the largest rod or largest rod we can keep into the cuboid. Or suppose we have a house, okay, and that house have the all the size in rectangular shape, okay. So how to find out the diagonal? So the diagonal will be of the cuboid is equal to the largest, okay, largest rod we can keep into the room, that will be the diagonal of the room, okay. So similar way in the cuboid, the largest rod we can cube in the put in the cube, that will be the diagonal of the cuboid. So now we'll talk about the cube. So what is the cube? So cube is also a rectangular solid which each face of the solid is square, okay. So what was the in the cuboid? So cuboid is the rectangular solid which all the faces of the cuboid is rectangle, okay. But in the cube it's different, because difference is here, the cube all the faces of the cube are square format, okay, where length and breadth is same. But in case of the cuboid, length is different, breadth is different, okay. So we'll move to the cube part, okay. So I hope cuboid is clear now. So we know that what is the cube? Cube is the rectangular faces which each side or each faces is a square. Okay. So now we will try to find the similar way, like how we find out the cuboid. What is the volume, what is the total surface area, and diagonal and lateral surface area, all those things. So similarly for the cube, we will try to find out. Okay. So now we'll talk about the cube. So cube where each side is same. Okay. So I will mention this here. This is the side A. Okay, so this side will also be A, this side will also be A. All the sides are same of the cube. Okay, fine. All the sides are same. Okay, so now we will try to find out. Okay, length of the each side is A. So what will be the volume? Volume of cube will be length into breadth into height. So that will length is A, breadth is also A, and height is also A. So that will be A cube. Okay. So volume of the cube is A cube. So total surface area, what will be the total surface area? So for the cuboid, total surface area is 2 times L into B, B into H, and H into L. Okay. So here L, B, and H is same. So what will be the total surface area? Will be 2. Okay, A into A square plus B into H, A square plus H into L. Again this will be A square. So 2 into 3A square equal to 6A square. So what will be the lateral surface area? So lateral surface area will be 4A square. So now we need to find out the length of the diagonal. So length of the diagonal will be for the cuboid, it was underscore L square plus H square plus B square. So now here L, B, and H is same. So it will be a root 3A square. So A root 3 is the length of the diagonal of the cube. Okay. This is basic information about this solid. Okay. So please like and subscribe my channel. I am going to come with all the exercise of this chapter. Thank you very much.